Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Automating Tasks with Python Script and Windows Task Scheduler. Introduction. Automating tasks using Python scripts and Windows Task Scheduler can streamline repetitive processes and improve efficiency. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating a Python script and scheduling it to run at specified intervals using the Windows Task Scheduler. Prerequisites. Step 1. Write a Python script. Create a Python script that performs the task you want to automate. For example, let's create a simple script that prints "Hello, world" to a text file. Save this script in a directory of your choice. Step 2. Test the Python script. Open a command prompt, navigate to the directory containing your script, and run it to ensure it works as expected. Verify that the output.txt file is created with the expected content. Step 3. Open Windows Task Scheduler. Press Win+S, type Task Scheduler, and open the application. In the right-hand panel, click on Create Basic Task. Follow the wizard to provide a name and description for your task. Choose daily, weekly, or another trigger that suits your needs. Set the start date and time. Choose Start a Program as the action. Browse and select the Python executable, usually located in the scripts directory of your Python installation, example c:/path/to/python/scripts/python.exe. In the Add Arguments field, provide the path to your script. Complete the wizard and click Finish. Step 4. Verify the scheduled task. In the Task Scheduler library, find your task. Right-click and select Run to test if the task executes correctly. Check the script's output or logs to confirm that it ran successfully. Congratulations! You have successfully automated a task using a Python script and the Windows Task Scheduler. Feel free to customize the script and task scheduler settings according to your specific requirements. Note: make sure to handle exceptions and errors in your Python script appropriately, and consider setting up logging for better debugging and monitoring. ChatGPT.